Hi there, this is a quick video of how to get a rust stain off of a quartz countertop. There are different ways to get a stain off of quartz. As you can see, quartz is such a beautiful countertop, but you want to make sure you maintain it and keep it that way. And whenever I've had a stain, I've always been able to get it out with using rubbing alcohol, such as these pads. So I already tried, I have a stain here, a rust stain due to a can, and I tried the rubbing alcohol, it did not work. The Barkeeper's Friend is highly recommended. It was given to me by the installers. But first I wanted to try a less abrasive method using the lemon juice and the vinegar mixture. Well, I read that vinegar can be too abrasive for a quartz countertop. Always call your countertop manufacturer and check with them. I decided to try the baking soda and lemon juice combination, which is a teaspoon of baking soda, then followed by 3 to 4 drops of lemon juice, and then letting sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. So I have a teaspoon of baking soda right here. I'm going to put it, spread it out on the rust stain. And then I'm going to take the lemon juice. Kind of mix it in. Spread it out. I'll let it sit for a little bit. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes of soaking. And now I'm just going to wipe it away. Still see it. I'm going to try taking the baking soda mixture and like rubbing it into it. It looks like it's coming out. Let's see, it is actually working. I'm gonna rub. It is disappearing actually. You could still see it just a little bit, but I'm just going to rub a little more. And it's coming out. See that? I've seen some reviews where some people didn't have to. They would just like easily wipe it off. I see a little stain right here. It looks like it came out. I don't see anymore. I'm just going to do one more wipe. And so now I'm going to just wipe that all off with some soap and water. And I don't see anything there. It worked. The baking soda and lemon juice combination worked great.